Hi, today I want to show you my small parcel from Amazon. This is an invoice and it's the Smart Lab Plus, and I actually don't really need it, but because I've got a voucher with Amazon, and I thought before Australia introduced the import GST from July 2018, so I just ordered something. So basically this is my last order without import GST to Australia. Okay, let's open it. It's a little bit damaged, the box, so and this is the back showing it's plugging on an iPhone. It comes with a small pouch. It's quite nice, the quality is nice, and here is a quick start guide, and I think I need to go through it, but let me show you what is inside here. Warning. And here is a clip, and here is the microphone, and this is the connector, and that's all. So this is the clip, and here is a wire. So I think I need to remove the windshield first, then I have to hold it this way and just release it. Okay, clip is here. It's recommended to use the windshield at all times, so I put it back. Based on the instruction, I'm supposed to make a loop here to reduce mechanical noise. Yeah, that's the loop over here, and that's the loop I made based on the instruction. Here the cable loop it through this here and loop it back down here. So I guess it would help. Now I will have to try it. It's set on the website saying for iPhone and smartphones, but there's only an app for iPhone. I can't find anything else for Android. And now where should I clip it? Oh, I'm wearing this here. Maybe here. Okay. Looks good. Okay, since there's no special app from Rode, and I simply use a audio recordings app on my phone. This is the one, very simple, and I start recording now. Hello, hello. You can see the microphone is receiving signal, and you are hearing the audio file through the Smart Lab Plus. And I try to move. I'm not sure whether there is any mechanical noises. Okay, now I just move the microphone to the right hand side, and basically it's closer to my face. And I also tuck the cable under my jumper. Let me just do a little bit movement, testing out whether there are any mechanical noises. At the moment, I can't compare the quality between two audio files, but you can hear it from this video, and you can make your own judgment. But anyway, I'm happy because I've got a voucher from Amazon, and this was my last order without GST. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. Bye!